Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night, holds significant cultural and historical value in the United Kingdom. Celebrated on November 5th, it commemorates the foiling of the gunpowder plot of 1605, where Guy Fawkes and his conspirators attempt to blow up the House of Parliament to assassinate King James. This event highlights the importance of political stability and the consequences of treason, serving as a reminder of the need for vigilance in preserving democracy. The night fosters community engagement as people gather for bonfires and fireworks displays, encouraging social interaction and cooperation among residents. The tradition of burning Guy Fawkes effigies reinforces the historical significance of the plot's failure. Additionally, the festive atmosphere, marked by traditional foods like toffee apples and pumpkin, creates an opportunity for families to bond and celebrate together. Overall, Bonfire Night combines history, tradition, and community spirit, making it a cherished occasion in British culture.